Ang kalsadang isa. Saan tayo pupunta?
Baka dito nga, ira-round na nga siya.
Hindi, baka dito tayo siguro.
Ano, just yung apan po.
We have come to the proverbial fork in the road, but we don't know which way we're going.
Diretsyon sa idya.
Kabalan sa dapanan tayo
We got the whole crew aboard.
Ibang puno
Ading!
This flight is taking off, folks. We don't know where we're going to land, but we're taking off. Okay. All right. We got it now. In the Philippines, can you believe it? With pine trees and everything. It even smells like macaw.
Yeah, it smells because of the pine trees.
Smells like Idaho, yeah. That's cool. Yeah, you better let him go. Goodbye. You got to share the road with these big vehicles sometimes. He knows how.
Ading, so ang kakagda pa sa jata niya. Guys, okay na yan. Wala nang ibang road.
Whoa, we know where we're going. Whoa. Don't go up the side there, Nancy. My God. That would be a long ways down.
I'd rather bump this thing.
Yeah. You want me to drive? Men's, what is it?
One hour later.
Whoa, the big valley, look at that. It's like it goes on forever. Hill after hill after hill. Cool.
Wow.
Pretty. Looks like it goes forever, don't it, Ajana? Beautiful.
Look my picture.
Okay. Go back on there for a minute.
Hands.
Do a little more
Sana
swinging.
lagyan naman nila ng magandang
Let me
upuan
do it
niya.
from the front.
Nakakatakot
Ganyan ga ang gusto nila para parang nature.
So, well, guys.
Let me see. Myrna's doing the Guyana over here. Honey. Honey,
Hey!
Oh, wait. Si John
are you comfortable in that Duyan, honey? Let me see.
Duyan here.
In the mountain Duyan.
I'm having a good time.
Oh, good.
Duyan here.
Very cool.
What do you call the duyan in English?
Hammock.
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 I'm in my hammock.
Well, you're in the hammock. Oh, there's another
Having
one. There's another hammock.
Where you going?
And some kind of little hut down here. We'll check that out.
So cool. Wait. Go in the front.
Okay.
In the front.
Go in the front.
Boo.
No, I was going to knock on the door.
Come in. Hi.
This is a little
Who's there?
kubo
Yeah.
for our people
They're
to
renting this
visit.
out for...
Somebody would actually sleep in here, maybe.
Yeah, they come. They
You
rent
can
it out
just
for the night.
sleep right on the floor.
How can you just sleep?
Well, you
Well, you
get
bring
your
a sleeping
bedding.
bag or
Your
something.
sleeping bag.
Or a blanket or whatever you want.
There's chairs. I mean, I guess it's a pretty good house.
Well, where's the kitchen?
It's a bedroom. Why are you looking at bedroom in the kitchen.
Because I'm always thinking of food, that's why. Ay.
Let's go what the CR looks like.
Yeah.
Let's go see what the CR looks like.
We're gonna go check out the CR. Huh? Somebody's little diorama here. I don't know what that's a future plan for this place or something, maybe. Yeah. A little mountain getaway. Then we have the valley down below. Very cool. And it looks like these hills just go on forever. Nancy's like, oh, it's like Alaska, except there's no snow. So pretty interesting, in my point of view. Little kubos you can rent for the day, for the night. There's some more up here too. Here's another one. Oh, it's a tiny little one. It's got a bedroom door. Let's see. That's got a bed in it. At least there was nobody in there. Good morning.
Morning.
I was looking in here at his bed. I thought maybe somebody was in there sleeping.
Sorry?
This one here? I saw a bed. I thought, oh no, maybe there's somebody sleeping in there. And of course the CR. So you can,
I went to use the bathroom.
oh, you did?
It's normal bathroom.
It's normal?
It's just made out of wood.
Just made out of wood.
Yeah.
And that is the totality of
I
this
like these
little mountain
flowers.
resort.
I like these purple and red flowers.
Yeah, those are cool, huh? Erica the adventurer. She's always on every adventure.
Adventure never stops.
Never stops with Erica going. All right, folks. You saw it through the eyes of Idaho expat life in the Philippines. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. We're going to be going places, folks. We'd like you to come along. See you next time. Have a nice day. God bless. Take care. Next time.